Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and set up a GitHub repository from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get started with version control and collaboration on GitHubs. First, go to github.com and log into your account. Create a new repository. Click on the plus icon in the top right corner and select New Repositories. Fill in the repository name. This can be anything you like, but for this example, I'll name im first repo. Choose the repository type, public or private. I'll choose public for this demo. Finally, click on Create Repository.
After creating the repository, Guitar will give us some basic commands through which we can add to our project in that repository. These are the basic comments. Now open your VS Code in the project you want to add to your GitHub. Then open the terminal by pressing Ctrl+J. Fast 3 commands which are always needed to add any project. 1. Git init. 2. Git add. 3. Git commit. Added my projects. Then we will go to the GitHub website and then copy the last 3 commands. Project add complete. Now go to the repository and reload. Once you will see that your project has been added.